29 states, 1,618 languages, 6,400 castes, 6 major religions, 6 ethnic groups, 1 country, India. Despite having diverse culture, traditions, languages, religions, we all stand together as one. A warm Republic Day wishes to you all.
भारत के गणतंत्र का सारे जग में है मान, दशकों से खिल रही भारत की अद्भुत शान, सब धर्मों को देकर मान रच गया इतिहास, इसीलिए हर देशवासी को इसमें है विश्वास। आइए इस देश को विश्व का सबसे बड़ा गणतंत्र बनाने वाले उस संविधान के कुछ ऐसे तथ्य जानते हैं जिनसे आज भी कुछ लोग अनभिज्ञ हैं।
Do you know the Constitution of India was written by over 300 representatives for meeting for almost 2 years and 11 months till the Constitution was formalized. The Constitution was enacted on 26 November 1949 and the Constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950. So, 26 November is celebrated as our Constitution Day and 26 January is celebrated as our Republic Day.
Father of the Indian Constitution was ready to burn it if it failed to protect the minorities. The original copies of the Constitution were written in Hindi and English.
448 articles and 12 schedules, the Constitution was in type or printed. It was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada in a flowing italic style.
Each page was uniquely decorated by the artist from Shanti Niketan. The original copies of the Constitution were stored in helium-filled cases in the Indian Parliament.
On 9th December 1946, the Constituent Assembly met for the first time.
2,000 amendments were made when the first draft was put up for the debate.
24th January 1950, 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India was legally enforced.
The Constitution is based on a series of statutes enacted by the British Parliament. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity come from the French Constitution.
The 5-year plans were adopted from the USSR.
The laws governing our Supreme Court were taken from Japan.
Suspension of fundamental rights during emergency rule came from the Weimar Constitution of Germany.
The preamble was inspired by the US Constitution's preamble. Both begin with "We, the people." Today is the day when we got our own constitution. So wake up and value this day.
Let's leap into the rich culture of different states with our next presentation.
The capital of Kashmir is Srinagar. We speak in Kashmiri. Our traditional dress is fairan. The famous dishes are Matar Rogan Josh, Dum Aloo, Paneer Chaman, Kashmiri Saag. The beautiful place is Srinagar, Pangong Lake, Nubra Valley and Lake. Kashmir is also known as Heaven on Earth.
I belong to Nagaland, the beautiful state in India, lying in hills and mountains of the northeastern part of the country. Nagaland is the smallest state in India. Our capital is Kohima. The Samathu and Akini is the taste of the Nagaland. Our folk dance is Butterfly Monse Kuki. We established on 1st December 1963.
Andarki Namaskaram. I am from Andhra Pradesh. We speak in Telugu. Our traditional dress is Paturanga. The famous sweets are Bobbattu, Putreku. The eye-catching places are Papikondalu, the Terumula Temple. The beautiful city in Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam. I belong from Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country. It was formed in 1st November. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. The official language is Malayalam. The traditional food is rice, karmeen, puttu, kadala and prawns. The traditional dress is mund and pattu sari.
I am from Gujarat. Gujarat in the western direction of India. Gujarati, the main language here. The capital of this place is Gandhinagar. Thepla is the famous food of here.
Here's a sweet presentation by Open Skyites to tell you about a few national symbols.
We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians, we love our country. We will guard it and keep it free. We salute our flag with pride. We sing Jana Gana Mana, standing side by side. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. I am a peacock dancing nice, climbing up the green, green trees. Everyone likes to me, so that is why I am a national bird. I am a peacock, cuckoo. Yummy, tasty mango, green mango, yellow mango. It's take two to tango. It's not just a fruit, but a king of fruit. Grow, running, and summer, it looks so cute. I am a tiger, the jungle spider. I have orange and black stripes. I pour and roll, you can't ignore. I always make you smile. घोष वंदे मातरम का हृदय करता रहे। राष्ट्र के जन जीवन में आम्र की मिठास हो, देश की हर वाटिका में रत्न मयूर का वास हो।
असली गणतंत्र तभी बनता है जब संविधान से निकलकर आम लोगों की जिंदगी में शामिल हो जाए। आओ कुछ ऐसा कर दिखाएं कि सबको हम पर मान हो जाए।
आत्मनिर्भर भारत होगा हमारा, वंदे मातरम का गूंजे जय जयकारा। भारत की संतान है हम, जगत गुरु का नाम है हम। आर्यभट्ट और सुश्रुत जैसे ऋषियों का अभिमान है हम। तक्षशिला और नालंदा सा गौरव जिसका, ऐसे भारत की यारों पहचान है हम। विश्व पटल पर फहरेगा तिरंगा प्यारा, वंदे मातरम का गूंजे जय जयकारा। खेती कर किसान भरता है अन्न भंडारे, लाल देश का फौजी बनकर खड़ा है सरहद द्वारे। रोटी देता एक लाल है लाज बचैया दूजा, नमन हिंद की सेना करते भारतवंशी सारे। एक अखंड भारत का तुम ही सत्य सहारा, वंदे मातरम का गूंजे जय जयकारा। आत्मनिर्भर भारत होगा हमारा, वंदे मातरम का गूंजे जय जयकारा। Let's salute the nation.
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। अल्लाह सिर ते बन के कफन जब तुरिया, तन के मौत नू बाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। अल्लाह सिर ते बन के कफन जब तुरिया, तन के मौत नू बाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आसमां मिलते हैं हमको प्यार से, इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से, इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से, इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Our ancestors gave us a glorious past. We need to create the future. This Republic Day, lead the change and become the real Indian. Jai Hind!